First mover Americas, Altcoins lead gains and Deutsche Bank to explore tokenization. The latest price moves in crypto markets in context for September 15, 2023. This article originally appeared in First Mover, CoinDesk's daily newsletter putting the latest moves in crypto markets in context. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. Latest prices, top stories. As Bitcoin BTC moves higher, the recently shorted alternative cryptocurrencies like Solana's SOL may see leverage liquidations and exaggerated price rallies. Since Monday's brief move below crucial support at $25,000, Bitcoin has risen over 6% to trade near $26,600, CoinDesk data show. Upbeat China August retail sales and factory output data released early Friday revived risk sentiment in financial markets, clearing the way for continued price gains in the leading cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin Cash BCH led advancers, adding 8% over the past 24 hours. Maker DAO's MKR followed with a rise of 5%. XRP, Ether ETH, Sol, Tron's TRX, and Dogecoin Doge are all tracking Bitcoin higher, as usual. The altcoin bounce comes days after traders sold these tokens, pricing in the possibility of defunct exchange FTX securing approval from the bankruptcy court to sell assets from its multibillion-dollar cryptocurrency holdings. The recovery puts altcoin bears, who took leverage bets on SOL and other tokens declining because of potential sales by FTX creditors, at risk of liquidation. Binance, U.S., has been accused of not cooperating in a probe by the Securities and Exchange Commission, which has said the company's staking, clearing, and brokerage services violate federal securities law, court filings unsealed Thursday show. Federal U.S. regulators worry the crypto exchange's use of Sept, a custody service offered by Binance's international arm, violates a deal intended to stop assets being squirreled overseas. Binance, U.S. holding company, known as BAM, has provided only approximately 220 documents, many that consist of unintelligible screenshots and documents without dates or signatures, the SEC said, of the evidence-gathering process known as discovery. The company also lost two more high-level executives not long after the departure of CEO Brian Schroeder. Head of legal Krishna Javadi and Chief Risk Officer Sidney Majalia are leaving the company, the Wall Street Journal reported, citing people familiar with the departures. Javadi was hired in May last year, and Majalia was appointed in December 2021. Deutsche Bank is working with Taurus, a Swiss startup specializing in cryptocurrency safekeeping, to establish digital asset custody and tokenization services, the company said on Thursday. Germany's biggest lender, Deutsche Bank, said in June it had applied for a crypto custody license from the country's financial watchdog, BaFin. The bank's publicly known crypto custody ambitions stretch back to early 2021, when details about a digital asset custody prototype appeared in a report by the World Economic Forum. Germany's rollout of rules for firms to custody crypto assets, and more broadly, Europe's proposed regime for markets in crypto assets regulation MiCA, are providing traditional finance firms with the clarity needed to explore the digital assets industry. Chart of the day. The chart shows net liquidity injections by the People's Bank of China PBOC since 2015. While the central bank has turned accommodative this year, it has not yet resorted to the flood-like stimulus seen in 2015-16. The battered crypto market has been looking to PBOC to compensate for the monetary tightening in the West. Source: Longview Economics, Macrobond Trending Posts. Celsius Core Scientific resolve acrimonious mining dispute with $45 million deal. Binance, U.S. Head of Legal and Chief Risk Officer leaving the crypto exchange. WSJ Genesis has ceased all crypto trading services, spokesperson.